guys, happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Evelyn. I'm just gonna have a nice little Sunday morning. I've got church at 11, which is kind of a weird time because I'd rather go earlier at 9 and then I would have like the whole day for myself afterwards. And at 11 I think it kind of breaks my morning because it's not early and it's not in the afternoon. Like it's such a weird time. But what is that? Anyways, I decided to wake up early today and I'm gonna go to the gym before going to church, and after that I have to go. We're going to a wedding in Portugal on next month. I bought a dress that I'm quite unsure about it. I'm gonna show you later, and it's a beautiful dress, but it is kind of see-through, not too much because it is dark, but you can see a little bit of my underwear. I don't mind, like it's not too much, it's okay, but I just don't know if it's okay to go to wedding. But I'm gonna think about it. Have my boyfriend think of getting a new suit, not suit, like only a blazer, because he has some trousers he can wear, so he has like nice cream beige trousers. He's thinking of getting like a navy or baby blue blazer, so we're gonna do that afterwards, which is kind of insane because we're thinking that we're going to Oxford Circus, to Oxford Street, and normally on a Sunday it's so busy, so packed, but I buy everything online. I think even cleaning products I buy online. The only thing that I don't like to buy online is food. I like to go to the grocery shop. I think I'm gonna do a little food shopping tonight. Just need to get some veggies for the week, maybe some protein. Also, I need to do a little Sunday reset. I have to do some laundry. The room that's my office, I have so much stuff in there, everything in there, so it's just a mess. So I'm gonna organize that, and that's it. I'm gonna bring you with me for the whole day. I've never done a vlog, like a Sunday vlog like that, and I think it's gonna be fun. If you're new here, I'm Evelyn and I'm addicted to ice rolling my face. This every morning, and to be honest, I don't know if this really helps, but I hope it does because like helps with puffiness. Every morning after my ice rolling, I feel so much more like awake, you know what I mean? It just seems like the right signal to my brain, like, oh, it's time to wake up, we're ready. So yeah, oh, it feels so good. This one I got from Amazon. It's really sturdy, it's really, oh my god, it feels so good. Delicious.
Alright, so now we're gonna go to the gym. So this is the fit, a Balance V2 leggings, industrial rolls from AYBL. And look at my hair. I found the cutest claw clip. It's like a flower. How cute is that? I'm in love. So today is leg day. Yeah.
So I'm gonna have my protein shake. I wanted to record it more, but the gym was so packed, so busy, so I had to change a little bit my workout because like all the machines that I went and used was in use. see myself so much in that. My face, I'm so red, I'm so pink. I had an amazing afternoon. That was so nice. We went to central London and it was busy but not too busy. I did find his shirt, he bought new trousers and blazer. It's so weird because it was really cloudy and windy, and now I just came back home and it's what's the time? It's 7 p.m. and the sun is shining. Like, how weird is that? Because it was cloudy like the whole day, but now the weather is lovely. I showered and I decided to try on my dress. I really need your help. I think like the dress is beautiful, but I just don't know if it's good for the wedding, because like as I told you, it's a little bit see-through. This is the dress. I love the pattern, but can you see my underwear here? So what do you guys think? I think it's a beautiful pattern. I think it's kind of cute. I just don't know about this share situation in here. It's going to be so warm, so hot. It's really see-through, isn't it? I wouldn't mind to wear this like to a restaurant. I wouldn't mind to go like night out on the beach or even in London. Look at my flowers, they're so dead. I had a vision of this dress. I would wear like a slick bum, not like that, but like middle part, a slick bum, like chunky gold jewelry, a black cloth, and some black sandals, and definitely a boob tape because the situation in here. So I'm not too close to the bride, so I just don't feel comfortable like asking her about it because she's probably so busy with lots of stuff. So please let me know in the comments what you think, and if I return this dress, if I keep this dress. I have this dress that is brand new. I never worn. Of course, I would need like a proper underwear. I think only because it's not new, I feel like it's not a wedding thing. I feel like when there's no pattern at all, it looks a little bit like too simple. Definitely like it's more for shopping. It's gonna last me maybe a couple of days, but I don't need too much because I still have something left here. I bought these stir fry vegetables. I bought some fresh tomatoes. I love this snacking on them, and also I got some broccoli with green beans, sweet potatoes for carbs, ground turkey. And they didn't have like the 3% fat. That's the one that I like the most, but this one you do. Cold cuts, grapes. I love to freeze the grapes. They're such a good snack for summer. And here I have egg noodles and some sauce that I'm gonna cook this tonight. Some snack while I'm cooking. I love these ones. I just found these. So I love the protein pudding from Lidl. This is a new one for me. Salted caramel from Arla. Might be good, the macros are good. I found this new Coca-Cola. It's zero sugar and I'm addicted, so I might try this tonight. They're so crispy. This one wasn't too much, but this tastes so weird. It's just like coconut, maybe, I don't know, coconut with a mix of cherry. Yeah, it's definitely coconut. It tastes like Malibu. lighting here in my bathroom is disgusting. I just finished tidying up a little bit. I put some laundry, dishwashers on, kitchen is spotless. I'm super tired now. My hair is completely wet and I'm not gonna dry it because I'm super tired, so I'm just gonna sleep like that and pray for the best. Other day I posted on TikTok about these wrist towels and everyone went crazy about it. It's the best invention ever because you know when you're washing your face and the water just starts dripping from your elbows and like getting everything wet, so this just stop the water. Is so good. I always start with some cleansing.
Prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine. But
It's nail muslin, incredible product.
live at night, I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural edges laid from the.
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like to see a little bit of my Sunday. I'm gonna go to bed, eat my protein pudding, watch something on the telly. Please give me a like, a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see ya!